Is it time to buy or sell Marathon Patent stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Marathon Patent. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 25th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of November, 2024, our system has categorized Marathon Patent as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.25. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 36.75% since we initially identified Marathon Patent as a buy candidate 14 days ago. This results in an average return of 2.62% per day since it was designated a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. In the event of a pullback, there will now be support at the ceiling of the current trend, which has been broken at $26.21. This level might offer a second chance for a significant upward movement. According to fan theory, $33.77 is projected to be the next potential peak, serving as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 36.16% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decline of 3.89% to an increase of 35.7%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of negative 8.72% over the next year, with a potential return varying between a decline of 70.46% and a decline of 1.29%. This results in a price range from $7.81 to $26.08 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Marathon Patent includes the headline, "Significant movements in Marathon Patent stock price on Monday, fluctuating by 16.21% between high and low." The Marathon Patent stock price rose by 1.5% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 25th of November, 2024, increasing from $26.03 to $26.42. This marks 5 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 16.21%, with a low of $24.86 and a high of $28.89. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and has gone up by 5.64% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume has also risen on the last day, aligned with the price increase, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 18 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with an overall volume of 121 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $3.19 billion. Over the last 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $34.09, while the lowest was $10.76. Currently, the price is 22.50%, or $7.67 below the 52-week high, and 68.34%, or $57.03 below the all-time high recorded on November 9th, 2021, when the price peaked at $83.45. Marathon Digital Holdings, often referred to as MARA, is making significant strides in the market following a series of noteworthy developments. It has emerged as one of the top performers in the S&P 1500 over the past 5 years, highlighting its impressive total return. Remarkably, it ranks just below industry leaders such as Nvidia and Celsius, with early investors transforming their investments into considerable profits. Recently, on the 21st of November, Marathon completed an offering of $1 billion in 0% convertible senior notes due in the year 2030. This infusion of capital is designed to enhance its capabilities, primarily by acquiring additional Bitcoin and repurchasing existing convertible notes. This strategic decision not only reflects confidence in the cryptocurrency market, but may also improve liquidity and investor sentiment in the near term. Alongside its financing initiatives, Mara has prioritized operational efficiencies. The company plans to significantly increase its computing power by 70% through recent upgrades and acquisitions. This growth is fueled by an innovative approach to energy utilization, which has successfully reduced power costs to just 1 cent per kilowatt hour. Such strategic positioning aims to mitigate risks associated with competitive pressures in the artificial intelligence and high-performance computing sectors. As cryptocurrencies continue to exhibit resilience and capture market interest, Mara's strong connection to Bitcoin and its proactive financial strategies might lead to upward momentum in its stock. In the short term, increased investor attention could drive up Mara's stock price, while its long-term viability will depend on the effective execution of expansion plans and the maintenance of its competitive advantage in digital asset computing. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, the 13th of November, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein rated Mara as market perform with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 10th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned Mara a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 10th of October, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Mara an underperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 10th of October, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Mara an overweight rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Marathon Patent stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a sell rating. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Marathon Patent. Today's chart reveals predominantly positive signals. The Marathon Patent stock receives buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these signals indicates a general buy signal, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $22.61 and $19.20. A decline below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 18, 2024, and since then, the stock has risen by approximately 45.93%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal occurred 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal was noted 29 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal generated 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal identified 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 32 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe short moving average, sell signal appeared 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal also occurred 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 12 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Marathon Patent. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $25.01 and $24.18. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, Marathon Patent sees support just below today's level at $25.01. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $24.18 and $22.63. The stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.03 between its high and low, which represents a movement of 16.21%. In the past week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 14.76%. Before we delve into the potential favorable trading levels for Marathon Patent, let's first review some important fundamental data. To begin with, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This vital metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This represents a relatively standard PE ratio, often found in companies with long-standing histories or stable revenue streams. Additionally, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 26th of February, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Marathon Patent. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, Marathon Patent encounters its first support level at $25.01. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Marathon Patent from numerous analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 18th day of November, 2024, Khan Salman Hassan executed an insider sale of 16,700 shares of common stock. On the same day, Khan Salman Hassan also conducted an insider sale of 176,818 shares of common stock. On November 18th, 2024, Thiel Frederick G. performed an insider sale of 27,505 shares of common stock. On November 12th, 2024, Mellinger Douglas K. executed an insider sale of 1,000 shares of common stock. On November 5th, 2024, Noaid Zabi conducted an insider sale of 26,889 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 68.049. In total, insiders purchased 9,230,978 shares and sold 1,570,592 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $25.47, reflecting a decrease of 3.6%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 5 days ago. Is Marathon Patent stock a good buy? Marathon Patent presents several positive indicators and has successfully broken through a strong upward trend. Given the stock's favorable technical condition, we believe it is a solid investment choice at this time, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 26th of November, We expect Marathon Patent to open at 303 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $26.72. It is important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions about buying or selling securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.